There are many impact wrench products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best impact wrenches from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Cordless Impact Wrench. Rating 4.4. Impact wrench delivers a maximum torque of 590 ft-lbs, 800 Nm, making it the market's highest torque battery-powered cordless impact wrench. Robust Screw Power Impact Wrench effortlessly loosens or tightens various types of bolts or nuts, including removing car tires, assembling furniture, installing scaffolding, garage use, DIY projects, etc. The Robust Screw Electric Impact Wrench comes with 2 by 4000 mAh high-capacity batteries. In contrast to 2.0 Ah batteries, the runtime is increased by 50%, reducing the need for frequent battery replacements and enhancing work efficiency. The high-torque impact wrench shortens the charging time to 1 hour, saving you valuable time. With a power indicator, you can easily check the remaining power. This cordless impact wrench 1/2 with forward and reverse mode. In reverse mode, once the nut or bolt is loosened, the brake stop device will activate and reduce speed and torque to prevent the nut from falling off and protecting the bolt thread. Number 4. D-Circ Impact Wrench. Rating 4.5. Dominates stubborn trailer lug nuts and tractor PTO bolts with 900 Nm truck-grade torque, powered by a brushless motor that experience 85% energy transfer versus 60% in brush motors, for 30% longer battery life per charge. 5,000-hour lifespan outlasts 3 truck rebuilds, 10 lawnmower blades, and endless weekend DIY battles. No carbon brushes to replace. Save $150 plus in 3 years while others eat repair kits. 2 4,000 mAh lithium Savage Pummels 150 plus Frozen F. 150 lugs per charge, enough to rebuild a Peterbilt's 18 wheels without whimpering. 700 plus charge cycles equals 3 years of weekend DIY battles. Built for mechanics who laugh at battery death. When other cells beg for mercy at 500 cycles, we're still ripping through lawnmower blade swaps and storm-damaged gutter overhauls. Electric impact wrench featuring 3 forward speeds, 0-1500 RPM/0-2000 RPM/0-2500 RPM, 1 reverse speed, delivers users full torque output, auto stop, decreases RPMs once the bolt is loosened to prevent fastener drops, and variable speed trigger, which provides precise control for automotive and job site applications. Number 3. Maxon Impact Wrench. Rating 4.6. Maxon 1/2 cordless impact wrench have been upgraded with the newest 2025 brushless motor. Compared to standard models, torque, range, and durability have all been improved by more than 30%. This brings the maximum disassembly peak to 1,500 Nm, 1107 feet, lbs, and the motor is enlarged with the same size. The high torque meets the needs of heavy-duty screw applications. We have redesigned the battery structure to achieve greater total capacity density and higher energy storage. Impact wrench comes with 2 4,000 mAh battery repack. 21V battery contains 10 pieces, and a fast charger indicator red for charging, green for charging complete. Its wireless design allows for convenient use, without the restrictions of cords, allowing you to work easily. This cordless impact wrench 1/2 with forward and reverse mode. In reverse mode, once the nut or bolt is loose, the brake stop device will activate and reduce the speed and torque to prevent the nut from flying into nowhere to grab and keeping your workspace safe. Number 2. CZI Impact Wrench. Rating 4.6. The CZI electric impact wrench comes with 2 21V/4.0 Ah high-capacity lithium batteries, delivering 200% extended runtime for all-day, heavy-duty operation. Features 30-minute rapid charging, up to 80% capacity. Charge during coffee break, work through your shift. The 3 LED power indicator provides clear battery status for the power impact wrench optimal work planning. CZI Impact Wrench adopts a 1/2 inch ultra-thick square head, which can withstand super strong torque and easily tighten or dismantle truck tires, large mechanical bolts, and other high-intensity tasks. Ergonomic design, 16-inch compact body and 9.3 pounds lightweight. With a balanced center of gravity, It can maintain a comfortable grip even for long periods of repair or construction work. The anti-slip nylon hanging rope can be hung and used immediately. The electric impact wrench, just insert battery. Press variable speed trigger activates the impact wrench and go. No complicated setup. The locking switch prevents accidental activation during transport. With one-touch forward/reverse control and built-in LED work light, you can easily tackle auto repairs in dark garages or construction sites at night. CZI Impact Wrench every design element makes your job simpler and faster. Number 1. Albin Cordless Impact Wrench. Rating 4.7. Albin Cordless Impact Wrench gets size, weight, and performance well balanced. The compact design and LED light make it easier to get in tight and dark places. The powerful motor can deliver 600 Nm, 450 feet per lbs of max torque in forward mode and 800 Nm in reverse, max 3,500 IPM impact rate and max 2,400 revolutions per minute rotation speed. Save your time and effort during work. The robust all-copper brushless motor can offer precise variable speed control between 2 speed, 0-2000/0-2400 RPM, and has longer product lifespan, stronger power, dissipates heat faster, and reduces energy consumption compared with traditional engine. Equipped with 4,000 mAh Li-ion battery, Albin Power Impact Wrench can run continuously for hours, and the power indicator ensures you to get the battery level at any time. Fully charged in only 2 hours with a matched Albin fast charger. By setting the torque on the control panel, from automotive repairs, major construction projects, heavy equipment maintenance, replace mower blades, to product assembly, this impact drill can do all the job. The brake stop function can protect your nuts/bolts from falling or damage after loosen. Consider it beast. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.